Hey there, kitchen newbies! Ready to take your cooking game up a notch? Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, these tips are for you. In this video, I'm going to share 5 essential cooking hacks every beginner should know. These hacks are designed to make your time in the kitchen more enjoyable and less stressful. These simple tips will make you feel more confident and help you avoid some classic kitchen mistakes. Trust me, everyone has been there, and these hacks will save you a lot of trouble. So, whether you've burned a few meals or set off a smoke alarm or two, these hacks will have you cooking like a pro in no time. Let's dive right in. First up, mise en place. It means everything in its place. Prep and organize your ingredients before you start cooking. This is a fundamental step that many beginners overlook. Picture this: you've got your veggies chopped, spices measured, and sauces prepped. Now you can focus on cooking. This not only saves time, but also reduces stress. Next, seasoning. Salt and pepper are your best friends. Add a little as you go to build layers of flavor. This is a simple yet effective way to enhance the taste of your dishes. Taste as you cook. A quick taste test lets you adjust seasoning before it's too late. This ensures that your dish is perfectly seasoned and delicious. Heat control is crucial. Most dishes cook better on medium or low heat. Gentle heat is key for delicate foods. High heat can easily burn your food, so be mindful of the temperature. Knife skills are essential. Learn the proper knife grip for better control and precision. This not only makes chopping easier, but also safer. Practice on soft veggies like cucumbers or zucchini. Always cut away from your fingers. With time, you'll become more comfortable and efficient with your knife skills. Finally, clean as you go. Use downtime to toss out scraps, wash dishes, or wipe the counter. This keeps your workspace tidy and makes the cooking process more enjoyable. With these tips, you'll feel more organized, confident, and ready to tackle any recipe. Cooking doesn't have to be stressful. In fact, it can be a fun and rewarding experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cooking tips. Now let's take a closer look at each of these hacks with some specific examples to help you master them. Let's start with mise en place. Imagine you're making a stir fry. Before you even turn on the stove, chop all your vegetables, measure out your sauces, and have your protein ready. This way, when you start cooking, everything is within reach, and you can focus on the cooking process itself. For seasoning, think about making a simple pasta dish. Start by adding a pinch of salt to your boiling water. As you cook the sauce, add salt and pepper gradually. Taste the sauce before combining it with the pasta to ensure it's perfectly seasoned. Taste as you cook. If you're making a soup, taste it after adding each ingredient. This allows you to adjust the seasoning and make sure the flavors are balanced. It's much easier to fix a dish as you go than to try and salvage it at the end. Heat control is especially important when cooking delicate foods like fish or eggs. For example, when making scrambled eggs, cook them on low heat and stir constantly. This results in creamy, perfectly cooked eggs rather than dry, overcooked ones. Knife skills can make a huge difference in your cooking. Practice holding the knife correctly and use a rocking motion to chop. Start with something simple like slicing a cucumber. As you get more comfortable, you can move on to more challenging tasks like dicing onions. Cleaning as you go is a game changer. If you're making a dish that requires simmering, use that time to wash the cutting board and knife you used. Wipe down the counter and put away any ingredients you no longer need. This keeps your kitchen organized and makes cleanup at the end much easier. By incorporating these hacks into your routine, you'll find that cooking becomes more enjoyable and less of a chore. You'll be able to focus on the creative aspects of cooking and experiment with new recipes without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you cook, the more comfortable you'll become. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they're part of the learning process. Keep experimenting, and soon you'll be cooking with confidence and ease. If you're looking for more inspiration, consider getting a beginner-friendly cookbook. There are plenty of great options out there that offer simple, delicious recipes along with helpful tips and techniques. Cooking can also be a social activity. Invite friends or family over and cook together. It's a great way to bond and share the joy of creating a meal. Plus, you can learn from each other and pick up new tips and tricks. Presentation is another important aspect of cooking. Take a moment to plate your food nicely. It doesn't have to be fancy, but a little effort can make your meal look more appetizing and enjoyable. Finally, don't forget to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Sit down, relax, and savor the meal you've created. Cooking is not just about the end result, but also about the process and the joy it brings. Thank you for watching. I hope these tips help you feel more confident in the kitchen. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cooking tips, and I'll see you next time. Happy cooking! Until then, keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun in the kitchen. See you soon!